How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about and show you how to fix anterior pelvic tilt at home fast. So in this video, I will show you guys 3 exercises that you can do to help get rid of your anterior pelvic tilt. All of these exercises are very basic. The reason why people get anterior pelvic tilt is because of the way we are as a society. You guys, we do a ton of sitting. A lot of the jobs, probably 90% of the jobs out there require us to be sitting. All the office jobs out there, you're sitting for long periods of day. This causes anterior pelvic tilt. If you look how we are based as humans, we are not meant to be sitting. We were meant to be long endurance athletes. That was the point of our statue. That's why we generally have long legs, short torso, and we were meant for long distance. We were meant for distance walking, distance running, because that's how we were meant to gather food and get food and hunt. So again, we were not meant to sit. That's what we do nowadays. That's why you get that anterior pelvic tilt. You guys, in order to fix that, what we're going to do, again, these 3 exercises. First exercise I will show you, it's going to be the bridge, you guys. The bridge is one of the best exercises you can do to help fix that anterior pelvic tilt. So to do a bridge exercise, you guys, all you're going to do is lay on the ground like so, and all you're going to do is you're going to lift your hips in the air like so. This is a bridge exercise, and you can hold it like so, you guys. So that's all we're doing, is the bridge. Fantastic exercise, you guys. Again, all it is you're raising your hips like so, you guys. Very simple exercise to do. The next exercise that we're going to do, and this really helps anterior pelvic tilt as well, is going to be the plank. So to do a plank, all you're going to do is put your elbows on the floor like so, and all we're going to do is get into a position like so. This is a plank position. When doing this position, you guys, you want to make sure that you contract your glutes and contract your abs. This is going to get you in a nice position. What a lot of people do when they plank is they raise their butt. You want to contract your glutes, contract your abdominals, and this puts you in a very good position to do the plank. I can hold this position for a pretty good period of time because my abdominals are pretty developed, you guys. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do this. So again, plank, very good exercise to be doing. The next exercise that will help your anterior pelvic tilt is going to be the lunge position, you guys. The lunge will really allow you to shift that pelvis forward, you guys. So again, a lot of people, their anterior pelvic tilt is like this. By doing the lunge, you can really push that pelvis, you guys. That's kind of what we're trying to do here. So again, the lunge, you don't want to be laying on the ground. You kind of want to be standing up like so. You can do that if you want. But again, really aim on focus on driving your hips forward. Really feel that stretch, you guys. This is one of the best exercises for the anterior pelvic tilt. So all these exercises, they're tried and they're proven and they do work, you guys. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.